Is Daddy going night-night, Emerson? Emerson, don't wake Daddy up. Make Daddy go night-night. Is Daddy night-night? Is Daddy night-night? Here, let's put Emerson night-night. Emerson, go night-night. Here, ready? Emerson, night-night. Night-night, Emerson. Okay, get the blanket for Emerson. Night-night. Is Emerson night-night?
Daddy.
Oh, Daddy's night-night. Are you going to put Daddy night-night? Will you give Daddy the blanket? Put Daddy night-night. Give Daddy the blanket. Yeah. You gotta cover him up. I don't know if that's the best way to snuggle. Are you snuggling with Daddy, Emerson? Those are his shoes.
Shoes.
Daddy's shoes.
And a big butt.
A big butt. A big butt.
Well, that kind of mean, really. What? What? Big butt.
How does he know that?
Why do you think I have a big butt?
Why does he know the B-U-T-T word anyway?
No idea.
Bum. You know bum and you know bottom. Emerson, can you sit on your bottom, please?
How does he know the word human? Bum?
Daddy's bum.
Sit on your bum. Sit on your bum.
Yeah, bum.
Bum. High five.
Are you zoning out, buddy?
High five. Good boy.
High five. Emerson, did you go to the park with Maya?
Em, did you go to the park? Did you go to the park?
Yeah, that's the doggy.
With the doggies?
Daddy's shoes.
Daddy's shoes. Did you go to the dog park?
Yeah.
Who did you go with?
It's a down. It's down.
Who did you go with?
It's down.
Did you go with Mommy and Margie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it sunny outside or rainy?
Ring.
No, I don't think it's rainy.
It's sunny. You're gonna fall.
It's fun.
Yeah. See ya.
Bye, Emerson.
See ya, bud. It's been fun. Now what are you doing? Now what are you doing?
She's flying.
Fly?
He wants to play.
What do you want to play?
Get down.
Get down.
Dude, you crack me up. Get down tonight. Well, where are you taking me? Computer. Car?
Why don't you guys go play on the climber?
Down.
Here, go with him. He's taking you somewhere.
Okay,
Show Daddy.
Where are we going? What? Show me. Show me. What's in there?
He wants you to lay in the tunnel and be a
You
monster.
want me to be the monster? Is there a pillow in here? I'm a monster, oh my goodness. Arr. I'm a monster.
Right.
Rawr. 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 Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Okay, Emerson, go back down the slide and get the monster. Yeah, yeah. Exhausted? Here comes Maya. Yeah, that's the sun. You're right.
It's the sun. Butterfly. Butterfly. It's a bird.
Caca.
Butterfly? Butterfly. It's a butterfly.
Shiny.
Shiny. I've been climbed on. I've been climbed on. Woo! Hi. Is that a giraffe? Lion. Tiger. Giraffe, I think. I don't know what that is. Tiger. Or is that a kangaroo? I don't know.
Adrian doesn't know his animals. I believe it's a giraffe, honey.
Oh! Oh no! Oh no! No! No!